Understanding the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act FERPA. Your rights explained. What is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act FERPA? FERPA is a federal law enacted in 1974 that protects the privacy of student education records. It grants parents certain rights regarding their children's education records, which transfer to the student when they reach the age of 18 or attend a school beyond the high school level. These rights include the right to inspect and review the student's education records, the right to request the amendment of records they believe are inaccurate, and the right to have some control over the disclosure of personally identifiable information from the records. What types of records are protected under FERPA? FERPA protects education records, which are records that are directly related to a student and maintained by an educational agency or institution or by a party acting for the agency or institution. This includes grades, transcripts, class lists, student course schedules, health records, if maintained by the school, and student disciplinary records. However, personal notes made by teachers and other school officials that are not shared with others are not considered education records under FERPA. What are the rights of parents and eligible students under FERPA? Under FERPA, parents and eligible students, those 18 or older or attending post-secondary institutions, have the right to access and review the student's education records maintained by the school. They can request amendments to records they believe are inaccurate, misleading, or violate the student's privacy rights. They also have the right to consent to disclosures of personally identifiable information from these records, except in certain permitted situations, and the right to file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Education if they believe the school has not complied with FERPA requirements. What are the consequences for schools that fail to comply with FERPA? Schools failing to comply with FERPA risk consequences, primarily federal funding withholding. The Family Policy Compliance Office, FPCO, in the U.S. Department of Education enforces FERPA, investigating complaints and mandating corrections. Non-compliance may result in further Department of Education actions, including fund withholding. Legal challenges and reputational damage are also possible outcomes of non-compliance. If you found this content useful, so please like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, and after that click on the bell icon so that you are notified when a new video is added.